Are you tired of spending too much on your CRM? Big SaaS CRMs like Salesforce, ActiveCampaign, and HubSpot charge a success tax, nickel and diming you for every last contact. What if instead of your CRM bill going up every month, you could lock in at one flat rate fee regardless of the number of contacts that you have? What if on top of that, you could own all of the data within your CRM and integrate deeply with WordPress and all of your plugins? Well, you can with Groundhogg. Groundhogg is an open source, self-hosted CRM plugin for WordPress. You can manage and segment your contacts, send email to your contact lists, build automated funnels, add staff and your sales team to stay on top of leads in your pipeline, and more. Basically, anything that a big SaaS CRM can do, you can do with Groundhogg without charging an arm and a leg. Start a 14-day no-commitment demo of Groundhogg now for just $1.